You know exactly what's holding you back. It's not a lack of talent, it's not bad luck. It's the same silent enemy that steals your time, your focus, and your drive: lust. It's the habit that creeps in when you're alone, when you're tired, when you're bored. It promises comfort, but it leaves you empty. If you don't kill it, it will kill your potential. This is your wake-up call. You have one life. You can't afford to waste another day. You felt it before. The urge hits. You reach for your phone, your laptop, anything to distract yourself from discomfort. You tell yourself it's normal, that everyone does it, that you'll stop tomorrow. But tomorrow never comes. You lose hours, days, even years to a cycle that never gives back. You feel weaker every time you give in. You wonder if you'll ever break free. The truth is, you can. But you have to decide that enough is enough. No one is coming to save you. No one is going to fight this battle for you. You have to take responsibility for your own mind, your own actions, your own future. You have to become the kind of person who does what's hard, not what's easy. You have to build discipline even when it hurts, especially when it hurts. Because every time you choose comfort over growth, you lose a piece of yourself. But every time you choose discipline, you get stronger. Here are 5 rules to kill lust forever. Rule 1. Move immediately. When the urge hits, don't sit there and think. Stand up, change your environment, go for a walk, do push-ups, take a cold shower. Action breaks the pattern. Rule 2. Remove your triggers. Block the sites, unfollow the accounts, keep your phone out of your bedroom. Make it hard to slip and easy to stay on track. Rule 3. Build a new routine. Fill your day with things that matter. Train your body, learn a skill, work on your goals. When you're busy building, you don't have time to break. Rule 4. Face discomfort head on. Don't run from boredom or loneliness. Sit with it. Let it pass. Every time you resist the urge to escape, you build real strength. Rule 5. Forgive yourself fast. If you slip, don't spiral. Don't waste time on guilt. Stand up, reset, and get back to the rules. Progress is built on getting up, not staying down. You are not your urges. You are your actions. Every day you follow these rules, you get stronger. Every day you break the cycle, you get closer to the life you want. Start now. Move, block, build, face it, forgive, and never look back.